Okay guys, so we are going home and it is my turn to drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May. Hello everyone, good morning. Today guys is Sunday and it is our last day here in the mountain. And yeah, this is the apartment. We took all the things already. My husband and Haley brought down all our things. Yes, and what I want to show you guys is this view from the view guys from the apartment. Yes, ayan guys, so mountain, it is so high. This mountain is 2,500 something guys. Yes, and yeah. Hello guys, so we are going out for lunch guys, and then after lunch we are going back home. Our dog Russell. Okay guys, let's eat this dessert. Haley. Lakotas.
For you?
So guys, I am eating my dessert with coffee, and Haley, yes, and my husband too. My husband finished his dessert already, and the croissant is for Lakota.
Kino.
Oh, no. Mira, la mamá que surten arrugas, mira a mí.
So guys, we are done. Yes, and we are going home. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon already. Okay guys, so we are going home and it is my turn to drive. Right, Daddy?
Yes, because
Yes, so
that's the
keep
agreement
safe.
we had.
Keep
And I'm
safe.
tired because the dog
Didn't
doesn't
let
allow
him.
me to sleep well. I
Yeah.
can make more mistakes.
Okay guys, so keep safe. God bless
I
us,
don't know why
Lord,
I'm
for
wearing this.
our
Okay.
trip back home. So see you at home guys. Bye. Hello guys, so we are home. Thank God for the safe trip. So we are home guys, and time check is 4:54 na guys. So more or less 2.5 hours guys na nag-drive ako from the mountain to here. Yes. Yes guys. Oh my god, my tarurut are dying, Haley. Tarurut. Guys, my husband and me are taking the things from the car, and I have to put all these guys to the fridge, into the fridge, because we have left food and drinks, like, yeah, it's cold, it's still cold. I can drink that one now. And fruits. Yes, Daddy. And the luggage in front of Lakota, Daddy. And also your bag. Yeah? Going to take out our dirty clothes, guys, and put them to wash. I segregated already, guys, the dirty clothes, so it's easier. Yes, so this compartment is all dirty. Yes. So yes, guys, I'm going to wash the dark ones. Can you see our figs are ripe? They are purple. Here, guys, here. You can see the color better here. Look at that. Ayan, hinog na sila. So I'm going to take them.